Michelle Obama, Rihanna, Beyonce up here.
Yeah.
So all the leading ladies is up here on the wall. So this is the island gal right here.
Break that thing up.
Bang. Ooh.
Break it up, break it up.
Look at the bottom.
It up, break them.
It's on a layer of crab meat. You see that?
All that crab meat.
Look at all that crab meat right there. Ooh, I got.
Oh.
Cheers to y'all. Make sure you subscribe. Sinful Salmon at Pretty Girl Rock. I keep saying Pretty Girl Rock at Pretty Girls Cook.
Yes,
cheers.
BBs.
This is a really fresh sandwich right here. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on another episode of JLJupiter TV. How y'all been, man? Y'all been good? I missed y'all. Beautiful Saturday here in Philadelphia. We decided to cross the bridge. Actually here in front of this place called Pretty Girls Cook. The name itself caught my eye, caught my attention. I went on their Instagram page. Food looks amazing. So we decided to come over here, highlight the local business, give it some love. It's actually right off of West Girard and North Marshall, I believe. Oh shoot, there go Mizzy. Mizzy Bone.
What's up?
Never been here before, heard a lot of great things. Let's go and check it out. Yeah, do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's eat some good food. So we're currently in here, man. This is a very energetic, very like elegant. The seats are like this golden like chrome. You know what I mean? Very. I feel like I'm on Love and Hip Hop right now. You know. Speaking to the manager, she broke it down. They opened up in like 2017. It's like an all-woman staff. You know, like they got like all the powerful women on the walls right now. So this is a very dope place to be at, man. Very empowering, very inspiring too. So. We already ordered the food, so the food came out really fast. I got the Island Gal. Where's the menu at? So food came out pretty fast. I got the Island Gal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how to say it. Y'all gonna tell me. And this is a turkey burger. You can choose between beef and turkey. You can choose between turkey and beef. And it's topped off with grilled shrimp, garlic lump crab mayo on a brioche bun, with some pepper jack and aioli sauce.
Sounds great.
That sounds great, you know. As y'all can see, my man got the this right here. This is a one-hitter quitter. You eat this, you about to go to sleep. What is this one, Mitch?
This one right here is the going to Cali.
This one's going back to Cali. Yeah, so the names are pretty cool. They got like Ladies Love Salmon, you know, going back to Cali. So they got something called a Philly vs. Baltimore appetizer, which is like, we didn't get that though. We just got done working out, and we just, you know, just came over here. But
you know, we gotta stay fit somewhere. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, I like it though, man. Look, can y'all see it? It's too bright. But this is the Sinful Salmon. This looks amazing. This looks amazing. Show them real quick. Look at that. Look at the salmon in that. That thing is packed with salmon. Double layers of salmon.
Yes, yes.
Which one try first? You want to try the Island Gal?
Might as well.
Island Gal? You got like Michelle Obama, Rihanna, Beyonce up here.
Yeah.
So all the leading ladies is up here on the wall. So this is the Island Gal right here.
Break that thing up.
Bang. Ooh.
Break it up, break it up.
Look at the bottom.
It up, break them.
It's on a layer of crab meat. You see that?
All that crab meat.
Look at all that crab meat right there. I asked them too, are these sandwiches inspired by like, you know, some of the women here? They said no, they just came up with it. Let's do this.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to y'all. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go in. You ready?
Let's go. Round one, fight. Oh.
best of both worlds right here. Heck yeah. This is the best of both worlds, man.
Hey.
I had only sauce in there.
Oh my goodness.
It's the one right here. Got a nice seafood taste, but you got that turkey patty in there. Just want to hit in the spot right now. Very well done. That bread soaks in all that pretty well. Definitely a winner. This is a winner right here. It's so seasoned pretty well. You guys see that? The seasoning in that turkey patty. If you get this with a regular patty, this is like if you get this with a regular patty, this is pretty much like a surf and turf. You know what I mean?
Oh my goodness, man. Oh, that crab meat.
That crab meat just kicks it up a notch, man.
Yo, you know when food is good when you don't want to get your last bite of it. I don't want to get your last bite. I just want to go like this.
Take your time.
We make love to the food.
That patty is seasoned so well. It's not dry. That crab though, and that shrimp. I wish there was more shrimp though. I ain't gonna lie. I wish there was more shrimp in there.
I wish I was a little bit taller. Wish I was a baller.
Yeah, that's a winner. Let's move on to the next one, y'all. So up next we have the sinful salmon, which is the grilled salmon with caramelized onions, sauteed spinach, and pepper jack cheese. Look how thick this is right here. They should have renamed this Rihanna because this is mad thick right here. Straight up.
Prime, what that? Prime got the big boy piece.
Pause.
That's the big boy piece. Oh.
Pause.
No fumbles.
Oh yeah. Pause.
All right.
Oh.
Cheers to y'all. Make sure you
Cheers,
subscribe.
cheers,
Sinful Salmon at Pretty Girl Rock. I keep saying Pretty Girl Rock at Pretty
Yes.
Girls Cook.
Yes,
Cheers.
BB's.
Wow.
Bad boy, come on. Check that.
The way this is crunching your mouth at first, and you get a mouthful of salmon. But you taste that sauteed spinach and onions in there too, man.
Yeah.
This is a really fresh sandwich right here. It's a refreshing sandwich. It's a fresh sandwich. It's one of those sandwiches, man. You kind of feel guiltless eating it, you know? Like you don't feel no type of way.
I wish I had some more hair. After you work out, oh my goodness, man. I've been waiting all day long for this meal, man.
Up next, we have the Going Back to Cali, which is a fried chicken breast on waffles with cheddar cheese and a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce.
That's sriracha.
Now, it's really just barbecue sauce and they put sriracha on there. That's what makes it sweet and spicy. But this is a massive sandwich right here.
We gotta go to sleep after this.
Massive.
I ain't gonna lie.
We're gonna have to work out some more after this.
Break that thing. Break
Ready for
it.
this? Woo.
Oh!
This is more like a this is like a breakfast sandwich on
I was gonna
Rizak,
say, man,
man.
an egg on this thing will probably be A1.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers to y'all.
Cheers to y'all.
Let's eat.
Yum. Yum. Oh my goodness, say cheese. Say cheese. Oh!
You know what's good when you just stare at it and look at it like this? Like,
Yeah, it's sweet.
it's sweet and spicy, man.
Oh my god. Brian, why you eat chicken no more, man? Brian,
Ain't enough for me.
man, you want a piece of waffle at least? Yo!
You had that. Enjoy it.
That was you.
I just had the chicken by itself. The chicken is amazing.
The barbecue sauce is amazing.
This is one of those sandwiches, man.
Yo, I think I'm in love with the Pretty Girl cooking.
Pretty Girls Cook, man.
Pretty girls cooking.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man.
It's like chicken and waffle sandwich right here. Amazing. Island Gyal was amazing too. But for me though, that sinful salmon, that was the hitter right there.
But I don't know which one's the hit.
To me,
They were all good. All great. I'm enjoying this one right now though because it's like lunch and dessert. With the waffle,
amazing. So we're just gonna wrap it up.
Pretty Girls can cook, and these guys can eat.
Shout out to Pretty Girls Cook. Great concept. Definitely salute y'all. Other than that, man, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow these guys. Follow Mrs. Tell them about your channel. You starting up.
Cereal and Milky Miz Ranch. I'm just eating cereal and talking. Beep.
Curses within the first 5 seconds of the video every time.
I'm sorry, I got a potty mouth.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next episode, all right? Peace.